Alright, good morning. It is Thursday and I just got to New Jersey and we have some very important news to take care of today, which I'm not sure if I can share just yet, but I'm out here in New Jersey and I'm gonna meet up with my lovely girlfriend Lisa Marie. We're gonna do some food shopping as she'll be prepping for her food delivery service. Take a quick trip to Whole Foods, get some lunch, and then later tonight I'll be teaching for about 3 hours out in Williamsburg. So it should be a fun day. My girlfriend's somewhere in the store. Let's see if we can find her. We found her. There she is. Ow, you shocked me. We have sparks. Alright, so we left Whole Foods. We're back home, our New Jersey home, and I get to see my favorite girls. Alright, we're in the Somerton Plaza and we are going to look at a location for our next possible dojo. So let's see what it looks like inside. What's up, team? So we started out in Brooklyn, Bensonhurst. From there we went to Manhattan today. From Manhattan we went all the way out to New Jersey. We took a look at a few locations for possibly our next martial arts school. And then now we headed back out to Williamsburg, where I'm going to teach for a couple of hours out here. So pretty long day, adventurous day, and I'm excited to get some teaching in. Let's get to it. I'll show you my favorite drink. This one, right here. Delicious Spindrift, especially the lemon one. Specifically, the lemon one. Delicious. Alright, so just finished class. We taught the 5:30, 6:30, and the 7:30 class. A lot of people, especially in that last class, with their love, the main event class, last class, finished it off. So a pretty long day. We started out in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn, then from there went to Manhattan, and then to New Jersey. We looked at some place in New Jersey, got to visit my lovely girlfriend, and from there went back to Williamsburg, taught 3 classes. Now I'm back going to Bensonhurst, Brooklyn, where I do need to do some video editing because I have a new website coming out, which I'm really excited about. So work's not done yet today, but again, when you're doing something that you really love and you're passionate about and you're excited about, obviously you can see from my energy, physically I am tired, but mentally, emotionally, I'm alive, I'm awake, and I'm ready to go.